Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos. So you can create a YouTube thumbnail, for example, in CapCut like this. You can just click on this cover to edit the cover of your YouTube video that you want to upload. Okay, for example, this is the one that I created before. You can select one from the templates in here, thumbnail templates, or you can customize on your own. Then you can just click on save, and in here just export the videos and also the thumbnail. So you can just click on export, and then here check this box to add the video cover at the beginning, and after that you can just click on export. Just wait until the videos and also the cover is exported like this. You can open the folder. Now you can see both of the video and thumbnail will be exported. Now you can just open your YouTube channel, then find the videos that you want to change or add a custom thumbnail, or you can just upload it directly. So for example, I'm going to just add a thumbnail to a video. So you can just click on this details button or like this pencil icon to see the video, and then after that here, this is the video details for example, and if you want to add a custom thumbnail, you can just go down on the details button and then open this thumbnail option. So you can click on the upload file options, and you can just select the cover. So this is the one before. Click on open. Now it will be uploaded like this. Now you can just click on save, and your video thumbnail will be saved like this. Okay, you can just click on save and done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.